He is rich and famous. They are ordinary citizens, and his fate will eventually rest in their hands. A jury is seated now in the DUI manslaughter trial of Wellington polo mogul John Goodman. News Channel 5's Dan Corcoran is here with more on the strategy those jurors may see unfold beginning next week. Dan?
Well, Michael, among the jurors that will decide Goodman's fate, a former teacher, an electrician, and a construction supervisor. In this final day of jury selection, there were some hints about the legal tactics that may come into play during the trial.
5 men, 1 woman, now seated as the jury in the DUI manslaughter trial of Wellington polo mogul John Goodman.
All right, that's our jury.
During this third and final day of jury selection, questions from Goodman's attorney, Roy Black, may offer clues about defense strategy.
Does anyone believe that a car could not malfunction while driving it? Is anybody in the first row familiar with the concept of sudden acceleration?
One potential defense argument that Goodman's Bentley may have malfunctioned just before the crash that killed 23-year-old Scott Wilson in February 2010. Prosecutors say Goodman was driving drunk.
Has anybody ever had experience of or have heard of anyone who would drink alcohol to relieve pain?
Another possible defense argument that Goodman may have suffered a concussion or brain injury in the crash and then started drinking alcohol to alleviate his pain.
Are you familiar at all with people having amnesia, either temporary or permanent?
Legal analyst Michelle Suskauer says this could be a preview of the defense case to come.
Roy Black was speaking about some specifics and was giving us an idea of where this case may go.
Prosecutors, too, hoping their battery of questions helped shape an impartial jury.
Do you have any feelings in terms of the way the police investigation was done, good or bad?
The questions for the jury pool now over. Opening statements and testimony get started on Tuesday.
Now, the judge has scheduling conflicts both tomorrow and Monday. 30 years in prison, that's the maximum sentence if the 6-member jury finds Goodman guilty. Dan Corcoran, WPTV News Channel 5.
Thank you, Dan, and you can follow all the developments of the Goodman trial on WPTV.com or with our WPTV app. And we have a link on our homepage to a special section with a timeline of events, 911 calls, interviews with witnesses, and other documents. Stay with News Channel 5 for the most comprehensive coverage and analysis of the trial. We'll have live reports in every newscast, and you can watch the trial beginning Tuesday live, gavel to gavel, on our website.